Hi everyone. So we are going to be working on the game page today. If you don't have this page, you can look at the puzzle page that might be in your work packet. So, the game page. Choose the pictures about growing food at home. Let's go over our words. The first word is towel. Towel. Towel is like when we're in the shower or bath and we dry off with a towel. Did we talk about towel in this article? Growing food at home? No, we do not talk about towels. What about pick? Pick, like you're picking something off a tree, or you're picking, in this case, you see he's picking like a berry off a tree. Is picking something we do when we're growing food at home?
Pick.
Yeah. If you're growing food at home, you might need to pick it off before you eat it. Home. Home. Is home a word that we talked about for growing food at home?
Home.
Yeah. Home is one of our vocabulary words. It's where we live, and it's where some people are growing their food. Ripe. Ripe. So if we see ripe, it's when a food is ready to eat. So for instance, usually a vegetable or a fruit. A green banana is not ready to eat, but once that banana turns yellow, it is ready to eat. Is that a word that we have related to growing food at home?
Ripe.
Yeah, ripe. So you don't pull out the fruit or the veggies on your plant until they are ripe. Garden. Is that a word that we've talked about?
Garden.
Yeah, garden is where people are growing their foods. It's a place where people can plant their plants. Seeds. We talk about seeds this week.
Seeds.
Yeah, seeds are where we grow what we do to start growing our plants and our foods. They usually tiny little seeds that we plant in some dirt and then they grow. Barber. Barber is someone that cuts your hair. Did we talk about that this week?
Barber.
No, barber doesn't have anything to do with our article. What about eat?
Eat.
Yeah, we people generally eat the food that they're growing at home. Spring. Spring. Is spring a word that we talked about?
Spring.
Yeah, spring is one of our vocab words this week, and it's the season that we're currently in. Spring comes after winter, and it comes before summer. Plant. Plant. Is that a word we talked about?
Plant.
Yeah, plants. There's two meanings really. You can plant something, which means you can put it in the dirt, or a plant is a thing that, like a tree or a bush or flowers, all of those are plants. Vegetables. Vegetables. Is that something we talked about this week?
Vegetables.
Yeah, people grow vegetables. Vegetables, some examples are broccoli, potatoes, carrots. You can grow those in your own homes. You can also buy them at the grocery store. Candle. Is candle a word that we talked about this week?
Candle.
No, we did not talk about candle this week. Let me scroll up so you guys can see the next few words. Fruits. Did we talk about fruits this week?
Fruits.
Yeah, people can grow fruits in their garden. So apples, oranges, bananas, lemons, peaches, any of those things people grow in their gardens. Hamster. Did we talk about hamsters this week?
Hamster.
No, no hamsters. What about dirt?
Dirt.
Um, yeah, we did talk about dirt. Dirt is what we have in our gardens to help plants grow. which brings us to our last word, grow. So yes, grow is one of our vocabulary words. It's when things are growing and they get bigger in size. So we see once had a seed and it grew all the way to a plant.
grow,
So the words that we talked about this week are pick, home, ripe, garden, seeds, eat, spring, plant, vegetables, fruits, dirt, and grow.